Sai Ram. My most reverential and respectful pranams at the lotus feet of our most beloved Bhagwan. Respected Anupji, I have seen him since decades. They are Trimurtis of Maharashtra. Mr. Ramesh Sawant, Mr. Nimish Pandya and Anup Saxena ji, all been working together. I have been seeing them from decades. Our brother, respected State President Pauskar ji, Mrs. Pauskar ji, and all brothers and sisters, Sai Ram. You must be wondering why I spoke in English. I have a dilemma. His introductory talk was in Hindi, followed by our introduction in Konkani, again followed by Hindi by Anupji. Now I am wondering which language I should speak. My mother tongue is Konkani. I studied in Kannada. When I studied in Mumbai, I learned little bit of Hindi. And finally, English is the language in which I studied engineering. So out of 4 languages, which language I should speak, I don't know. You must tell me. Konkani. My Konkani is not as refined as Goan Konkani. Mixed language. Okay. So I'll switch over to, with your permission, sir, to Konkani. भगवान श्री सत्यसाई बाबाला चरण सन्निधानात मगले शीर्षाष्टांग माझ्या वतीने आणि तुमच्या सर्व लोकांच्या वतीने शीर्षाष्टांग नमस्कार. स्वामी तुगले अनुग्रह आशीर्वाद आमगे सगळ्यावर कायम दवरका तुवे. तुगले अनुग्रह आशीर्वादान आमगेले जीवन सार्थक जाता म्हण तुमगेले सगळ्याले तर्फेन हांव स्वामीले चरण सन्निधानात प्रार्थना करता. मगेल बदला मस्तीतले सांगला म्हाका जे सांगले भितर भय दिसच्या लागले. मस्त वर्षाच्या फाटी एकदा कस्तुरी जी आमगेल घरा आयिल्ले. श्री कस्तुरी जी had visited North Canara district, sir. And I was not an office bearer, not even district president. I was a youngster like many of the youths here. And responsibility given. म्हाका responsibility दिल्ले कस्तुरी बरोबर तुवें वचपा जाय. तांगेले कितें कितें प्रोग्राम आसा ताजे बरोबर तुवें वचपा जाय. So I was accompanying him. And final day, म्हाका तांचे बरोबर बसून खूब वेळ उलोवपाक टायम पण नमस्कार करतले ताका. दे वर पेईंग हिम ऑबेसन्स कस्तुरीजी. आनी तो अशी घट्ट हात धरून दोळे धापून घट्ट राबतातलो. अशी दोळे धापचे घट्ट हात धरचे आनी दोळे धापून अशी ओगी राबतातलो. सो आय आस्क्ड हिम, व्हाय डू यू डू दॅट सर? वेन पीपल कम अँड पे रिस्पेक्ट्स टू यू, व्हाय डू यू डू दॅट? एंड ताणें म्हाका उत्तर दिलें, तुका गोतना आमगेले भगवान स्वामी आसा न्ही, नमस्कार घेतले हेच काम तुझे, माझे काम न्ही ते तुझे काम ते की विचारता म्हाका म्हण हांव भिता आनी दोळे धापून हांव प्रार्थना करता, स्वामी हे म्हाका न्ही हे तुका, हे म्हाका न्ही हे तुका म्हण. आज मगल विशय आनी पुरो सांगता आसतना म्हाका तशी भंय दिसले. हांव सांगलें, स्वामी हे तुका, हे म्हाका न्ही हे तुका. तुवें जे अनुग्रह आशीर्वाद केला ते हांव बाकीचे मगले भाव भयण्या बरोबर शेअर करते आसा. हे सगळे तुझे अनुग्रह आशीर्वाद म्हण म्हाका हांव प्रार्थना केली स्वामी लागीं. म्हाका एक याद येता, कस्तुरीजीन तांगेले एक ऑटोबायोग्राफी बरयला, लविंग गॉड म्हण. तुमी वाचला कोणे? हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू हॅव रेड लविंग गॉड म्हणून? तुमी वाचपा जाय. द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स ही स्टार्ट्स, तांचो फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स तो कितें बरयता की म्हळ्यार, आय वॉज बॉर्न वन्स अगेन इन टू दीस वर्ल्ड टू लर्न हाऊ नॉट टू बी बॉर्न अगेन अँड अगेन. करेक्ट? तुमी वाचला तुमी? हांव हे संवसारात परत जन्म घेवन आयलो. कित्याक आयलो म्हळ्यार परत परत जन्म घेनाशी उरच्याक हांव शिकपा जाय. दॅट इज द पर्पज ऑफ लायफ. आनी स्वामी आमकां ते शिकोवपाक आयिल्ले. पण स्वामीन आमकां एकदम आध्यात्मीक शिकोवपाक सुरू केलें ना. आमगेल्या आतां जिवनात आमी पळयलां न्ही, आमी पयलीं स्वामी लागीं गेले तेन्ना स्वामीन म्हाका भजन कर म्हण सांगलें ना, जप कर म्हण सांगलें ना, मेडिटेशन कर म्हण सांगलें ना. स्वामीन म्हाका विचारलें, तूं कितें शिकता? तू कितें करता, तुका कितें जाय. I give you what you want. I give you what you want so that you really want what I have really come to give you. तुका कितें दिवपा जाय म्हण म्हाका खबर आसा, पण तुका कितें जाय तें पयलीं हांव दितां, मागीर हळू तुका हांव कितें दिवपा आयला तूं घेवपाक शकता. हे स्वामीले प्रिंसिपल. स्वामीन हे लायनार सगळ्यांक आमकां अनुग्रह आशिर्वाद केलो. 68 18 वर्ष एज ए 18-year-old boy I went to पुट्टपर्ती. हांवें म्हगेले समर्पण टॉकांत आनी आसा. आय विल नॉट गो इन टू डिटेल, इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टायम. मागीर महेश पावसकर म्हाका सकयल्याच्यान हात दाखयतर उरतलो, बेगी बंद कर कित्याक म्हळ्यार स्वामी विशय सुरवात केली की वी हॅव नो स्टार्टींग ट्रबल बट नो एंड जायना, गाडी स्टॉप जायना आमगेली. हांव घरांत तांगेल्या घरा जेवणाक दनपार बसलो, तांणी म्हाका काय ते विचारले, सगळेले जेवण जालें, म्हगेलें जालें ना, म्हगेली गाडी चालू आसली. सो स्वामी सब्जेक्ट इज ऑलवेज लायक दॅट, यू नो, इट कॅनॉट स्टॉप इमिडिएटली, इट वील गो ऑन. पण थोडे रेलेवंट पोर्शन, थोडे म्हगेले मेन एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करता म्हण तांणी म्हाका सांगला म्हण आय विल वॉन्ट टू शेअर विथ यू. म्हगेले जिवनांतले मोस्ट प्रेशियस जे स्वामीले अनुभव आसा that happened in Goa. You will not believe. Beginning of my career and first time आम्ही स्वामीले जे अनुभव झाले म्हाका, that happened in Goa. तुम्ही विचारतले कशी गोवात कित्याक म्हण. Long back I was working in Goa. I was working with Dempo Engineering Services, Dempo Group. आणि I was in that Madgaon project, Goa Carbon project, तातूंत काम केलें वर्क करता आसतना. 1974 हांव मदीं ते स्कीप करता. 74 स्वामीन आय हॅड द प्रिविलेज ऑफ मॅरिंग इन द डिवायन प्रेझन्स. स्वामीन आमगेलें लग्न केलें वृंदावनात, तागेले सन्निधीत 18th May 1974 ताणें आमगेलें लग्न केलें. आतां 50 years आमी वी कंप्लिटेड दीस इयर 50 years ऑफ अवर मॅरीड लायफ. त्या वेळार स्वामीन कितें केलें, म्हाका आज हांणी विचारलें हे हातूंत खंयचें रिंग स्वामीन दिल्लें म्हण. हांव म्हळें हांव दुसरें खंयचें रिंग घालना, स्वामीन दिल्लें रिंग मात्र घालता म्हण. सो एट द टायम ऑफ माय मॅरेज, ऑन दॅट मॅरेज डे, स्वामीन मुहूर्त टायमार एक रिंग आनी म्हगेले बायलेक एक मंगळसूत्र क्रिएट करून दिलें. दॅट मंगळसूत्र वॉज इन 5 pieces, 5 portions, 5 pieces. एक ताजे बटल अशें एक राउंड सेंटर पोर्शन. देर वर 4 मनीस सर. एंड लग्न जालें की स्वामीन ते अक्षतांनी घालून ते कशी ते आमगेले मंत्रांनी स्वामीन सांगून ते बांदपाक लायले. आनी त्या टायमार स्वामीन म्हाका सांगलें, आफ्टर 1 year, विथीन 1 year, जस्ट एज यू कंप्लीट 1 year ऑफ मॅरेज लायफ, चेंज दीस थ्रेड. जानवेशी आसले सुताचे, तातूंत भितर ते 5 pieces वर देर, 1 golden ring, center ring and 4 pieces. You change it into a necklace and put it properly म्हण सांगलें. आमी, यू नो, why I am saying this is, स्वामीक आमी देव म्हण मानतात. सगळे मानतात तुम्ही देव म्हण? हां, गट्टी सांगनात? ओके. सो देव म्हण नंतर वॉट इज 16 कलास ऑफ गॉड, करेक्ट? देवाक कितले एट्रिब्यूट्स आसा म्हण आमकां वी से. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट एट्रिब्यूट स्वामी लिखीत देवाले सर्वांतर्यामी, सर्वशक्त आणि लास्ट वन सर्वज्ञ, करेक्ट? आता स्वामी खातीर आमी हांगा चेअर दवरला. डू यू रियली बिलीव दॅट स्वामी इज विथ अस? We have to believe. If you feel that Swami is Sarvantaryami, Swami is Sarvashakta, Swami is Sarvajna, He is here with us. He can do anything. He will guide us. But that time I had not believed that He is God. Even at the time of my marriage, I treated Him as a Guru. सगळे लोक म्हणटाले स्वामी इज सर्वांतर्यामी, सर्वशक्त, सर्वज्ञ, but I had no experience. I didn't want to believe till I get my own experience about that. So 74 September I shifted to Goa, sir, for my work, professional work. And my in-laws, my wife and all came from our native place. I mean, we are from Sirsi. We are staying in Woodland Hotel in Madgaon. Azuni aske na cover na maka Woodlands Hotel. We are staying 3-4 rooms. My father-in-law, my brother-in-law was going to Germany next day from Goa. Swami kit kele, one day there is time for the flight. Those days there were no so many flights, only very few flights. So there was a 1 day gap, gap aslo. I mean, vichar kelo, why not we visit so many temples? Ata Anupjin sangle, 500 temples. I didn't know myself there are 500 temples in Goa. But at least the main temples like Mangeshi, Nageshi, Shanta Durga, Ramnathi, thode devla kani ami visit kare aman vichar kan. We started in the morning around 7 gantas, 8 gantas, Madgaon chan Baisarle. I mean, we went around entire Goa. And Goa is a small state. You can start from one point and that point up to me, Parat Yopa Shakta. I mean, Parat Sanche, we came back to, again, Woodlands Hotel. Then I mean, Woodlands Hotel aylar, Magal Bailin Sangle, Mangal Sutra, the entire set is gone. It is not there. It was there in the morning while going. It was tight. Te kaitari sutun padla. So, Swami ne lagna kela, losing the Mangal Sutra, we are very scared. Correct, ne? Mangal Sutra you are losing is very not very auspicious. So we are worried. My father-in-law was a full-fledged devotee, firm devotee. He was shouting at me. Normally, father-in-laws don't shout at son-in-laws. But that day, he literally shouted at me. How can you be so irresponsible? Swami had told you very clearly, Sangale tuka ek varshat, you have to put it done. Why you are not done? So now, I had no answer. Magi Rami, what else to do? We started searching in the taxi, inside, below the seat, outside the seat. You can't go searching entire Goa. And for 5 pieces, separate pieces, you can't search. So kit karche? Nothing else to do. My father-in-law was thinking, I have to go to Puttaparthi now tomorrow. But he has a flight, dusre dis. Kit karta lo? So he shouted at me. Probably I never got so much of blame. And he went up. And आम्ही हांगा सोदत रावले. आमगेल समाधान आहे. आमकां खबर आसा ते मेळना म्हण. कित्याक मागीर टॅक्सी भितर पडल्यार खंय मेळटलें ते ओन्ली लिटल होल डे आमी पुरा फिरल्यात खंय मेळटलें म्हण. And within 5 minutes, I got a message that entire Mangal Sutra was below their room pillow. In their room, we never went to that room at all. Morning only we started. We have not entered that room. As if कोणीतरी hand davarla eka bhitar, one inside the other, and with rolling properly, it was kept below the pillow. ताणी रुमाक गेले तेन्ना अशी बसपाक पिलो अशी हालयलो and it was there. To cut the long story short, मागीर ताणी मुंबई गेले. After about a week they came back and then we went to Puttaparthi. As soon as I entered Swami's room, he said, तुका सांगले हांवें, you have been collect करून hand pillow मुळात दवरले. This is Sarvantaryami, Sarvashakta, Sarvata. I have not doubted his divinity afterwards. Why I am saying this is, today, आता मी claim करतात, आम्ही Swamili devotee. I am Swami's devotee for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. But do you have that faith? We have to do introspection. I can't ask I can't ask him. Every devotee introspection करका पडता आम्ही रियली स्वामीक देव म्हण मानता की कितें. स्वामीक देव म्हण मानल्यार आम्ही तशीच चलता की कितें. This is very important. Only one incident I wanted to share. I don't want to go into too many incidents. My entire Swamis, during time I spent in Swami's proximity, sir. I can divide it into 4 segments. 1968 to 78 is the first time, 10 years was very intense. One question somebody asked me, I think in the trust meeting, how many interviews you got? So I have not kept count how many interviews I got, but the maximum number of interviews I got between 68 to 78. When I was not an office bearer, I was purely a devotee. As a devotee, Swami Ulidatle, he solved lot of problems in our family, business problems, material problems, lot of things he sorted out. Interview he used to give very, very often. He used to talk to us, guide us, bless us. April 68 to 78 was the first phase of 10 years. Second phase was 78 to 88 when Amil Garache, he continued to bless us with interviews and did lot of marriages. My brothers, my sister, everybody's marriage. There were a lot of marriages. Amil Garapitar Swamin family marriages kele in Puttaparthi and in Vrindavan. Moons kele, Namakarn kele, sagle kele. I don't want to go into all these details. But at the same time, Tane Maka, what is the purpose of life and what you must do guidance dile. 78 to 88 the third phase was in 88 to 2011 when physically Swami asle and 88 at Maka Swami state president kele. That Swami was different. So 1968 to 78 phase was very good. We are carefree devotees. I mean, we get asked anything to Swami, do anything how. 70 to 88, office bearer, district president, control Hadle Swami. Now you have to be little disciplined. And 88 to 2011 he was very strict. So we can't be the same with Swami. We have to, I give you what you want so that you really want what I really come to give you. And in Magir 2011, when Swami was not physically present, Swami Sangle Amka, I am not this body. I am not this body. Please believe that. And with their experience, I continued to be state president till 2020. That 9-10 year period from 2011 to 2020, I experienced his presence all through in whatever projects we undertook. I will share 1 or 2 my experiences in each of these phases. First phase I told you already, 68 to 78. Now, we are all members of the organizations. All of you are member of the organization? Most of you are members of the organization, correct? Yes or no? Yes. What is the purpose of the organization? Why we are into this organization? Why are we into this organization? We can be a devotee. There are a lot of devotees. I used to, as a state president, I used to travel to a lot of towns, sir, various towns. Every house there is a photo of Swami. There will be a lot of devotees. But organization-wise, very few people. Organization not just look na. But they don't know what is the purpose. Swami has said. So Swami gave me that guidance during that period. I want to share with you. I was working in Goa. 1974 anantar, I shifted to Goa. I was in charge of the Goa Carbon project here in St. Jose area near Madgaon Industrial Estate. They काम करता ना 77 January हम पुटपर्ती गेलो because Swami had said that he will come to our house in Sirsi 76. That program postponed जालो मागीर स्वामीन सांगले हांव येता अनेकदा म्हण सांगून मागीर स्वामीन that time Swami told me, see, this year in summer, during April, May, आपण summer course conduct करता हम वृंदावनात. You must come. You must come as an observer because I was 27, 28. I cannot become a student. Swami said, I will give you a pass as an observer. You must attend. 1 month leave can you get? It was not possible. How Swami सांगले Swami, 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ರಜೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. I used to speak to Swami in Kannada. So, Swami, 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ರಜೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. Why you are worried? You come. I will take care. I said, okay, if Swami is taking care, I will come. So, Anyway, I used to take a lot of leaves because of my family problems. I had to go very often to Sirsi. When the summer course came near, I asked my resident engineer, "Sir, maka ek mahina raja jai." He said, "Gap bas, no leave, nothing." "Nahi sir, maka vachpa jai." Then I said, "Sir, if you don't give me, I'll resign." Then he didn't want to lose me because immediately after that, I had to start another project in Bijapur for which he wanted me. So he said, "Ek kaam karya. आमचो चीफ इंजिनियर अमेरिकेक गेला. खंय गेला? अमेरिकेक गेला. सो तू वच. ओके. एक कंडिशन. तो आयले भितर तुका विचारतलो बिजापूर प्रोजेक्टा खातीर आनी तेन्ना हांव तुका टेलिग्राम धाडटा. आतां वरी मोबायल ना, ईमेल ना, कांय ना तेन्ना. देर वॉज नो फोन कॉल, ओनली टेलिग्राम वॉज देर. नाव देर इज नो टेलिग्राम. हांव तुका टेलिग्राम धाडटा आनी तूं रोकडो कम बॅक. प्रॉमिस? आय सेड ओके, प्रॉमिस सर, हांव येता. म्हाका ताणें सोडल्यार पुरो आसलें. आय वॉज हॅपी दॅट ही वील सेंड मी. सो आय वेंट. स्वामी वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी. स्वामीन म्हणलें, आयला तूं, व्हेरी गुड, पास आनी दिलो म्हाका. आनी वी स्टेड अँड आय स्टेड विथ पीपल हू वेर our Kasturiji's son, sir, Dr. Murthy and Professor Sethi from Himachal Pradesh. A lot of elderly people, they were with me. 2-3 अनुभव झाले म्हाका. I want to share with you this, how Swami brings about the transformation and change in us. First day in Vrindavan auditorium at summer course start झालो. Swami was giving the inaugural discourse. Current गेले. हांव बसला फाटी. ऑल द स्टुडंट्स वर इन द फ्रंट. आमी मागीर फाटल्यान बसले. वन यंगस्टर सिटींग नेक्स्ट टू मी, ही मेड व्हेरी नॅस्टी कॉमेंट केलें ताणें. कितें तरी स्वामी बदला सम कॉमेंट केलें. हांव म्हणलें, हो समर कोर्साक आयला आनी स्वामी बदला अशी डिसरिस्पेक्टफूल उलयता, अशें कित्याक करता म्हण. स्वामीले इनॉग्रल प्रोग्राम जाले नंतर आय कन्फ्रंटेड हिम. I said, why did you speak like that about Swami? If you are not interested, you need not have come. Nobody forces us. तुका कोणे फोर्स करून हांगा हाडूं ना. तुका येवचें ना जाल्यार तूं you leave and go, no? He was son of a very influential devotee from one of the Andhra faction, sir, West Godavari, East Godavari side. आनी तो म्हणपा लागलो म्हाका हे समर कोर्स आनी इंट्रस्ट ना. हांव कित्याक आयला म्हळ्यार, माय फादर टोल्ड मी, इफ यू अटेंड द समर कोर्स आय विल गिव यू वन मोटरसायकल. सो आय हॅव कम बिकॉज माय फादर हॅज प्रॉमिस्ड मी मोटरसायकल. आय हॅव कम. Oh, I said, very good. So he has come for the motorcycle. After 1 month, last day, Swami gave lunch to everybody, sir, in that summer course. And it was in the hostel, Vrindavan hostel. I mean, sagle basle. Swami was walking down slowly amongst all of us. And this boy, this young man, he was a young man, sitting next to me, crying, radtatu. He was profusely crying. Swami aile, Swami slowly walked, stood between us, looked at him. Hey, how is your mind? स्वामीन ताका विचारता, हाउ इज युअर माइंड? तो आनी जोरान रडपा लागलो. सो स्वामी जस्ट पॅटेड, गेव नमस्कार टू बोथ ऑफ अस, एंड ही वॉक्ड इनसाइड द हॉस्टेल. भितर गेलो. हांव ताका विचारलें, तूं यू शूड बी व्हेरी हॅपी. तूं आतां घरा गेल की तुका मोटरसायकल मेळटा, तूं कित्याक रडता? हां, रडपाची गरज ना न्ही. सो तो म्हणपा लागलो, नाही सर, हांव मोटरसायकला खातीर आयिल्लो, मगर ती मोटरसायकल आशापुरा गेली. हे 1 म्हयन्यात जे स्वामीले उत्तर आमी आयकिले, जे ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन म्हगे भितर आयला, आय डोंट रिक्वायर एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट स्वामी इन माय लायफ. दिस इज वॉट this is the biggest miracle Swami performs. Not giving rings and giving this and that. The transformation of human beings is the biggest miracle Swami performs. Okay. Along with him, he transformed me. Kizale, after about 24-25 days, maka telegram आयलो. from Panjim. Chief engineer has come. Please report for duty immediately. I was very emotional. अरे इतले it was going on so nicely. हांव कितें करूं आतां? I don't want to miss the summer course, remaining few days. I was wondering कित करचें म्हण. So I said, let me see tomorrow. म्हण दवरलें. By evening, I got 3 telegrams, one after the other. I did not respond. Next day morning, I got one telegram. If you don't report for duty immediately, disciplinary action will be taken on you. So you please attend immediately. So I became very emotional. I was not able to decide. I promised him that I'll come. Swami is not living. Swami is that attraction magnet. He has told me to complete the summer course and go. So I was literally crying sitting in that auditorium. And every day evening Swami used to give discourse, Ditatle Swami. So that day, before discourse, after the discourse is over, there will be a musical program. And त्या दिवस Anup Jalota's father, sir, Bombay, you know, Purushottam Das Jalota ji, he was there on the stage performing. ताने एक भजन म्हळें, I will never forget in my lifetime. And that bhajan was like this. Prabhala prema ke पाले पढ़कर, प्रबल प्रेम के पाले पढ़कर, प्रभु को नियम बदलते देखा, प्रभु को नियम बदलते देखा. अपना मान टले टल जाए, अपना मान टले टल जाए, भक्त का मान न टलते देखा, भक्त का मान न टलते. This was the bhajan he sang. Maka applicable asle ki na? Was it applicable to me? So what I do? Bhahir gelo. I took out all the 4-5 telegrams. Yeun baslo. Now whatever happens, happens. I am not going. So program continued. Now, I will tell you the end story later. Next, what happened? Next day, R.K. Karanjia. R.K. Karanjia now to me aikila. He was the editor of Bleach magazine. So he was the speaker in the morning. ताणे lecture किती मारले? आणि you all should awaken Kundalini. तुम्ही Kundalini गोत असा तुमका? You know, must be knowing, you have read Kundalini. Kundalini तुम्ही तुमगेले ओपन केल्यार, कुंडालिनी जागृत केल्यार तुम्ही देव जाता. सो नो पॉइंट, यू अवेकन कुंडालिनी, यू ऑल बिकम गॉड. तुम्ही सगळे देव जावपाक शकता. कुंडालिनी जागृत करा. ताणें लेक्चर मारलें. आनी तेन्ना बेंगलूर वचपाक फ्रॉम आश्रम, नाव इट टेक्स 2.5 hours, सर. दॅट टायम हाफ एन आवर यू कूड गो टू सिटी एंड कम. बेगी वताले. आनी लंच टायमार आमचे बरोबर असले सगळे लोक कुंडालिनीचे पुस्तक घेऊन आयले, इतले दाट दाट. एव्हरीबडी वॉन्टेड टू अवेकन कुंडालिनी अँड बिकम गॉड. इतले दाट दाट पुस्तक घेऊन आयले. घेऊन हांवें बसले. स्वामी नोज, बिकॉज स्वामी इज सर्वांतर्यामी, सर्वशक्त, सर्वज्ञ. दॅट डे इवनिंग, डेविएटिंग फ्रॉम रामायणा, स्वामी 1 महिनो कंप्लिटली वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट रामायणा. स्वामीन आयले भितर कितें सांगलें, आज हांव रामायणा बदला उलयना. आज हांव कुंडलिनी बदला सांगता तुमकां. He narrated about Kundalini. He said 7 chakras, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Ajna, Sahasrara, Sushumna Nadi, Ija Nadi, Pingala Nadi, सगळं एक्सप्लेन करून सांगितलं. Then he said, त्यांनी सांगितलं की मारा, there is nobody in this world who can teach you how to awaken Kundalini. Even if there is 1 or 2 people in the Himalayas, they are not available to you. तुमकां मेळना तांणी. सो तुम्ही कुंडालिनीचे भानगडीत पड नका. तुम्ही किती करा, I am giving you the simplest spiritual sadhana anybody has ever given to this human race. सत्यसाई सेवा ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे स्पिरिच्युअल, एज्युकेशनल आणि सर्व्हिस ऍक्टिव्हिटीज केल्यार त्याच्यापेक्षा व्हडले सेवा साधना खंयचेय ना फॉर दिस. सो आता जे अनुपजीन सांगले रथयात्रा हे यात्रा दिस ऑल पार्ट ऑफ दॅट सेवा साधना दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. ह्याच्यापेक्षा व्हडले सेवा साधना आणि खंयचे ना. दॅट वॉज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ माय ऑर्गनायझेशनल जर्नी. सो इमिडिएटली आय जॉईन द ऑर्गनायझेशन. आता आय हॅड टू गो बॅक टू माय ऑफिस. समर कोर्स एंड झालाय. लास्ट डे स्वामीन सांगले यू कम टू पुट्टपर्ती. So already 30 days over. Now he is asking, come to Puttaparthi. I said, okay, आम्ही स्वामी फाटी पुट्टपर्ती गेले. त्या दिवशी सांचे स्वामीन आपयले आणि म्हाका एक काम दिलें. तू मणिपाल वचपा जाय आणि कितें तरी काम सांगलें स्वामीन. यू हॅव टू गो टू मणिपाल. हांव लॅक घालें. फ्रॉम पुट्टपर्ती आय गो बॅक टू सिरसी. सिरसी वचून थंयच्यान मणिपाल. मणिपालच्यान बॅक टू सिरसी आणि परत पुट्टपर्ती. पुट्टपर्ती टू सिरसी आणि मागीर पणजी. पण अनेक 15 दिवस गेले. सो एनिवे आय वॉज नॉट वरीड बिकॉज आय हॅड डिसायडेड टू रिझायन. सो नो इश्यू एट ऑल. सो सगळे करून स्वामीन सांगले काम करून स्वामीक रिपोर्ट करून सगळे करून मागीर हांव केम टू पणजी. पणजी आयलो विथ रेसिग्नेशन लेटर इन माय पॉकेट. As soon as I entered Dempo House, you know Dempo House, Panjim, भीतर गेलो की when I was on the 3rd की 4th floor, the administrative officer म्हाका पळयलें. Hey, where are you, Mr. Dakappa? This. I said, forget about him. I want to give my resignation letter. Don't worry, don't ask me anything. म्हाका काय विचार नाका. हांव नाही. तू you have met the chief engineer? You have met anybody? No, I have not met. I am going to meet him now. नाका तू मेळ नाका. तू यो माझ्या कडेन. So he literally took me to his office. आणि तो म्हाका कितें सांगता. वॉट इज टेलिंग मी आपले चीफ इंजिनियराक आमी तू सांगला की तू बिजापुरात आसा. यू आर ऑलरेडी टेकन चार्ज ऑफ द बिजापूर प्रोजेक्ट. यू आर वर्किंग देर. सो हे 1.5 months, that 1 month you took leave without pay. This entire 2 months salary check is here. They gave me check. They gave me salary. I went without pay. Of course, salary was not a very big money those days. But what I'm saying is, Swami took care. Swami maka apelya, he took care of everything. Isn't this a Swami's handiwork? This is not a miracle. Even today, Dempo company, nobody knows I was not there in Bijapur. Don't tell them also. This is what Swami does. So that began my career with Satya Sai organizations. Immediately I joined the Samiti. In 3 years, Swami said, you should become district president. And finally in 88, he said, you should become state president. I didn't know anything, sir. I didn't know ABCD, what should be done. But when he wanted me to become a state president, I will tell you how interesting it is, because this is all his sankalpa. This is not what we demanded and what we solicited in God. It was his divine sankalpa. For each of us, we are instruments. He has a role for each one of us to play. For somebody as a zonal president, somebody as a state president, somebody as a... No role is more or less, above or lower. Every opportunity to do seva you are a worthy instrument. You must remember. You may be a devotee, you may be a sevadal, you may be an office bearer, you may be a coordinator, you may be anything. But everything you do for Swami is your sadhana. That we must remember. So I was very fond of. I went to Puttaparthi with my sister because तिगेले लग्न फिक्स जावचे आसले. डेट स्वामी कडेन घेवचे आसले. I was sitting outside for 2-3 days. Swami was talking outside, and that particular day I wanted to go back to Bangalore and Sirsi. Maka, one thing I used to really love was those days to stand in queue. Now everybody says you are state president, you go straight on the veranda, we sit somewhere or not. We have sat somewhere in the sand. We have gone through that phase. To go inside the bhajan hall, I used to stand in queue, sir, and run. तेन्ना प्रशांती मंदिरा भितर स्टुडंट्स नासले. So morning bhajan, there used to be hardly anybody in the front except 3-4 singers. So second line ik basun Swami stagear ashik chairar basta, you could see his darshan from so near. So that opportunity I never used to miss. So I was sitting there that particular day. Swami stagear the basle. He kept looking at me and smiling at me. I didn't understand what he wants, why is. And finally, when the bhajan ended, Swami kite kartale, he will push the stool back. Tumi padala ne? Bhajan end dalki, to give indication of arati, he will put the stool back and get up. Swami utle, and he just looked at me, smiled and went away. I came out. बसताना तू मुखार बसल्यार भायर येताना तू लास्ट भायर येवकाने सगळ्यान हांव आयल्यार थंय 3 elderly people were standing. They were all very reputed devotees, very old devotees of Swami. ते म्हणपाक लागले, यू आर मिस्टर धाकप्पा? येस सर, आय वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू यू. आनी म्हाका घेवन तांणी वचून त्या ऑफिसात बसले आनी सांगले, स्वामी वॉन्ट्स यू टू बिकम स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट. म्हाका हात पायाक कडकडो आयलो. आय सेड, वॉट? आय कांट डू इट, आय डोंट नो एनीथिंग. नाही, you do this, you do that. They tried to persuade me for almost an hour, sir. I said, please excuse me. My sister is already in the bus stand waiting for the bus with luggage. I have to go. Please leave me, I will go. Because we have to go to Bangalore and go to Sirsi. What's Kamaka? No, you can't leave. So they sent somebody to bring my sister back to the room from the bus stand. So मगर बहिणीक ताणी परत हाडून रुमात सोडले आनी म्हाका म्हळें तूं वेट कर, स्वामीन सांगले शिवाय वचपा जायना. सो दोनपारां हांव वेट केलें. आय वेटेड. दोनपारां स्वामी भायर आयले भितर. हांकां विचारलें आनी म्हणलें तो तयार ना, तूं आपय म्हाजेर. सो आय वेंट इनसायड. स्वामी सेड, स्वामीन म्हाका सांगलें तूं स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट जा. आतां स्वामी लागीं हांव एकदम ना म्हणचें जायना. सो हांव एक्सक्यूज दिवचो लागलो. स्वामी, हांव बेंगलोरांत उरना. I stay in a small town. I don't stay in Bangalore. Swami म्हणपाक लागले, you know Anil Kumar? Yes, Swami. He is state president Andhra Pradesh. Hi, Swami. तो हैदराबाद उरना, तो गुंटूर उरता. He stays in Guntur. He doesn't stay in Hyderabad. तुका Kerala state president कोत्सा Natarajan? Hi, Swami. He doesn't stay in Cochin. He stays in Ernakulam. So for my sake, you need not come to Bangalore. For your sake, if you want, you will come in future in Bangalore. Now, I don't want. हांव कितें सांगता, हांव म्हळें स्वामी, हांव मस्त यंग आसा, अजून काम आनी आसा. म्हातारो जालें की काम करचें ना. पळय आतां आमकां पांय दू. आतां स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट काम म्हळ्यार मागल्यांक आय कॅनॉट डू. वॉट स्वामी सेड वॉज व्हेरी रेलेवंट. वेन यू आर यंग, देन ओनली यू हॅव टू डू ऑल दी स्पिरिच्युअल वर्क, सेवा वर्क. वेन यू बिकम ओल्ड, यू कांट डू. तूं आतां पासून कर. सो बिटवीन स्वामी एंड Krishna Arjunashi, it went on for about half an hour. Suddenly Swami became serious. Will you do my work or not? And then I melted. I said, Swami, I am only scared. I am only feel that I am not competent. Mallang te shakti na. Namaskar kar. Swami namaskar केलं. जबाबदारी घे. हांव तुजे वटो आसा. Till the end, he stood by me as a state president. He did not let me down, not even once. I don't know what punya we did in our past birth. He promised me that day, "Tu kar, हाँ तुझे वोटो आसा. Whenever you speak, I'll speak through you." Now today he is speaking, I am not speaking. He told me, "I'll stand by you. I'll see that you." And today I could, for so many years, it was my privilege to be as a state president. It is Swami who did the work. He who got it done. How Kelemanna? I cannot do that. It is impossible. We are only instruments. आम्ही किती करपा जाय? We have to keep ourselves very pure, sincere, devoted. Everything he will take care. Everything he will take care. And then 88 to 2011, the state presidency with Swami, it is Maya. I have heard from Kasturi ji and so many other people, when you are with Swami, it's like Maya. आमी स्वामी हो तूं भितर बसताले कितलेदा, even when we were sitting with him, it used to be, I experienced Swami's divinity used to be different, sir. Very, very thin line of divinity. Suddenly he will become usual talk, mundane talk he will do. Suddenly he will transport to divinity. Ekdam. That experience is something you have to, I only experienced. Very difficult to explain. Anila सांगता तेन्ना 2005 स्वामीन म्हाका उपनयनम स्वामी asked us to do. We did it. उपनयनम केले, लग्न केले, वाल्डिक केले, marriages, सामूहिक marriages. ते करताना marriages करताना उपनयनम there was huge queue. Lot of people were ready for उपनयनम, but marriages were not getting enough couples. So 70 marriages means 70 couples we should get. We had only 50 couples. So finally another 20 couples one district president brought from Chitradurga district. And both occasions I got an opportunity. To photo laila ne, then it's Swami lailna. Swami called me and said, you come with me with holding the akshata bowl. Why I am saying this is, these are occasions. ह्या टायमार आम्ही स्वामीले डिविनिटी पळयला. स्वामीले बरोबर वताना he will go so fast. He is different, sir. He is different. तो अशी धरतालो, I have to adjust the ball accordingly. आमकां कितें दिसता आपले तो स्वामी फाटी वता कितले मजा आसता गाले ते फाटी गेल्ले मनशाक खबर आसा ते कितले डिफिकल्ट. आम्ही पळयला डॉक्टर पद्मनाभन आणि हे आणि so many people going after Swami. It is extremely difficult because when he goes out for darshan, he is totally different. He is divine. That is afternoon, after the marriages were over, आम्ही भितर वतातले दोनपारा. After lunch and all, 3 o'clock we'll go inside. Swami suddenly asked me, अरे एक सांग म्हाका, आज ते marriages ग्रुपात lot of Lingayats were there. Lingayat is a community in Karnataka. Lingayats were there. Hi Swami. I was wondering, see, in spite of so much experience, आमगे मनात डाऊट येता. स्वामीन कित्याक विचारलंय? Swami, why Swami asked me Lingayat? The moment thought came, Swami उत्तर दिता. आपले आज हांव अक्षता घालच्याक गेल्लो न्ही, अक्षता घालत आसलो सगळ्याक. तेन्ना पळयलें मस्त इतले लोकांन भितर तांणी लिंग बांदले. See, this Lingayats tie lingam, just like we put Janava, they put lingam, they tie it to the waist. And it is inside the dhoti. Dhoti भितर उरता ते भायल्यान दिसना. Swami नजर खंय ते दिसता. Because he is divine, he knows you through and through. Not that खबर नाशी नाही, ते आमकां कळू आपणा divinity हक. For us to understand his divinity more and more, because we are all doubting Thomases. आम्ही कितले स्वामीन अनुभव दिल्यार हे दिल्यार आता कितें जाता, when everything goes well, आज सकाळी हांव सांगतालो आमगेल्या घरात, when everything goes well, oh, Swami is God, huh? I did Nagar Sankirtan, I did bhajan, I did study circle, I did this. So Swami took care of my son, he gave him promotion, his daughter's marriage done, naming done, this is done, that is done, fine. One day something doesn't happen, I don't know whether Swami is God. इतले भजन केले काय करना माझे काम तो. It happens to all of us. So we should remember in all circumstances, we should have that equanimity of mind. Swami has come to teach us that he is doing little bit, आमका थोडे करतो. But overall, we have to go through our own karmas. But he is giving us the strength to bear it. I will share a very good experience. 82, that day night, my father-in-law expired in Vrindavan. Vrindavan and Bangalore city. We were in Vrindavan going with Swami. They were all coming. I was not, office bearer not long, only district president. आम्ही बाहेर राबले दर्शन लायनाक, हॉस्टेलाचे entrance. Swami would come with all the guests, all the senior devotees. My father-in-law was one of them coming with Swami. Swami was very serious that day, very, very serious. Myself, my brother-in-law were standing at the entrance, the Vrindavan hostel entrance at Rabale. When Swami came, suddenly he stared at me. अशी स्टॅर केले स्वामीन आमकां तिगी लोकांक. ही स्टॅर्ड very very big eyes, sir. He stared. I was scared. I didn't know why he did that. He went inside. There was dinner. My father-in-law came out. We came to the city. Within half an hour, he passed away. Then all that happened. Swami, Gama took the body home, and then Swami told, come after 12 days to Puttaparthi. All that happened. I was, Magal Manat Asli, Swami, why he gave that look stare? Why he gave that look to me? And after few months, sir, I was reading some book of Swami. There was an incident. When Swami went to one of the centers in Andhra Pradesh, Swami goes on the stage. तो अशी पळयता ह्यूज क्राउड ऑफ पीपल. लोक बिल्डिंगावेर चढल्यात, लोक झाडावेर चढल्यात, लोक हाजेर चढल्यात, कितें कितें दिसता स्ट्रक्चरावेर सगळे चढल्यात. पीपल आर स्प्रेड अक्रॉस, पीपल आर ऑन द बिल्डिंग्स, ऑन द ट्रीज, एवरीवेअर, ऑन द पोल्स, wherever there is a space, people are there. So Swami stares at the whole crowd for 5 minutes. And Kasturiji has recorded this. And he recorded कित केला की म्हळ्यार after the talk was over and they came back, he asked Swami, Swami, तुम्ही त्या नमुने स्टेअर कित्याक केले? He said, you have seen how much people were there? कितले लोक असले, ते झाडार बसले, हांगा बसले, थंय बसले. हांवें जर तांकां स्ट्रेंथ दिना जाल्लें त्या बिल्डिंगाक आनी त्या झाडाक आनी ते लोक पण मरताले. I gave strength to those buildings. I gave strength to that tree. I gave strength to that pole. I got my answer. He gave me strength that day. हांव सांगलें कळ्ळें तुमकां? That day when he stared at me, he gave me that strength to face that, what was to happen. So anything and everything Swami does is for our good. स्वामीन त्यांना विचारले त्या टायमार एकदा म्हाका आमकां विचारले, यू प्रे गॉड, यू ऑल प्रे गॉड? हां, प्रार्थना करतात न्ही तुम्ही? देवळा वतात, हांग वतात, स्वामी मंदिरात, कितें मागतात देवा लागीं? व्हॉट यू आस्क गॉड?
पीस, शांती.
शांती. व्हॉट यू आस्क गॉड? कृपा. व्हॉट यू आस्क? प्रमोशन. यू आस्क. So Swami asked us this question, entire group. तुम्ही प्रे करतात? हां करतात स्वामी. कितें विचारतात देवा लागीं? सगळ्यांनी सांगलें, स्वामी आमकां कितें जाय तें विचार, देवा कडेन विचार, अशें आनी कोणा लागीं विचारतले आमी कितें जाय आमकां देवा कडेन विचारपाक जाय न्ही. स्वामी आमकां प्रमोशन दी, आमकां हे दी, आमकां वेल्थ दी, आमकां पयशे दी, आमकां डेपॉझिट दी, आमकां ते दी, देवा कडेन विचारचें. ही सेड नो, यू शुड नॉट आस्क all these things. तर कितें विचारपाक जाय देवा कडेन? He said, you must ask for only 2 things. मनुष्य जावन जन्मा येयले नंतर देवा कडेन आमी फक्त 2 विशय विचारपाक जाय. तुका गोत आसा कितें तें म्हण विचारलें स्वामीन म्हाका. ना स्वामी गोत ना. हांव सांगता आयकून घे आज. यू शूड ऑलवेज आस्क फॉर दीज 2 थिंग्स इन युअर लायफ. आनी स्वामीन सांगलें, अनायासेन मरणम विना दैन्येन जीवनम. Everybody who is born has to die. ते डेफिनेट. अनायासेन मरणम, कांय त्रास ना अशी, व्हेरी इझिली, स्मूथली वी शुड गो. अनायासेन मरणम विना दैन्येन जीवनम. दुसऱ्या मुखार हात मुखार करना अशी, विथआउट पुटिंग युअर हँड, विथइन युअर मिन्स. तुमगेले कितें इन्कम आसा, उत्पन्न आसा, तातूंत भितर रिस्पेक्टफुली जीवन करा. These are the only 2 things you should ask God. So I request you, तुम्ही आज रात्रीच्यान देवाक पांया पडटा आसतना देवा आनी काही नाका आमकां, फक्त हे 2 विशय दी. कितें 2 विशय? अनायासेन मरणम विना दैन्येन जीवनम, सदा तव सानिध्यम. These are the only things we should pray God. आमगेलें जीवन सार्थक जाता. कित्याक म्हळ्यार देवान तो आयला, कित्याक आमगेलें जीवन सार्थक करचें आयला. आणि सार्थक करच्याक द ओनली सिंपल सोल्युशन ही हॅज गिवन इज टू वर्क इन सत्यसाई सेवा ऑर्गनायझेशन आणि खंयचे ना. नो अदर अवतार हॅज गिवन सच सिंपल सोल्युशन. आम्ही पूजा करतात, पाठ करतात, यज्ञ करतात, होम करतात, ऑल दॅट फाईन, बट दिस सर्विस, दिस सेवा साधना ह्याच्यापेक्षा व्हडले साधना खंयचे ना. स्वामी हॅज सेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर. सो वी आर व्हेरी फॉर्च्युनेट दॅट स्वामीन आमकां सगळ्यांक सिलेक्ट केला. कितले टायम जाले सर? नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम ऑर्गनायझर्स. Okay, I'll just narrate one or two incidents and close. Now, post Mahasamadhi, during the Swami's last stage also I narrated few incidents. There are many more. At every stage, Swami will teach us new things. Kenna navin shiketal hoto. So there is nothing like perfections with Swami. Swami wants us to become perfect. But if I think, galactic pela Swami अशी सांगला, अशी करता, this time I'm pakka manar, he will teach you something else. So each time I learnt a new lesson from Swami. Swami was always showing you have a long way to go to reach perfection. And Swami was a perfect master. He expected total perfection from every one of us when we work. And post Mahasamadhi, two things I would like to say. Swami hospital asle, you know all that history. There was a lot of talk. फुडें कशें जातालें, ऑर्गनायझेशन उरता, कशें जाता, कितें जाता, डिवोटीज कितें जाता म्हण. सो I had, as a state president, I arranged a lot of devotee meets across Karnataka. I was very, very happy that grassroots level devotees are better than all of us. Because every devotee meets I attended, there were large number of devotees came, no effect at all. जे लोकांक स्वामीन पाद नमस्कार दिल ना, इंटरव्यू दिल ना, ज्या लोकांक लागीं स्वामीन उलयल ना, ज्या many people did not have darshan of Swami, they are the true devotees who were present. And people who were pestering us to sit in the front row, wanted this, that, Swami letter di, he di, te di, they log missing. So real devotees are at the grassroots level. All of you sitting here are the real devotees of Bhagavan. Swami Sanktatle. He would always tell us, I have a lot of very good followers, but none of you leaders are good. Okay, correct, nice, sir? Swami wanted us to improve, become real good leaders. That's what Swami wanted. So, coming to this, I will share this experience. 2012, 1 year after Swami's Mahasamadhi, one day I got a dream, very vivid dream. Swami म्हाका सांगता, आनी आपले तूं समर कोर्साक तुका 1 म्हयन्याक आपूण हाडून शिकयलें ते तुवें बाकी लोकांक शिकोवपा जाय न्ही. Is it not your duty to conduct a similar summer course for others? He is telling me. So हांव एकदम सकाळी उठलो. The dream was very clear. Then I started thinking, विचार केलो हांव कितें करपा जाय आतां म्हण. So I spoke to our trust convener, Gangadhar Shetty sir was there. हांव म्हणलें सर म्हाका अशें ड्रीम पडला, समर कोर्स करया आमी वृंदावनात 5 days or 7 days. He said, Mr. Dakappa, you need 20 lakhs for summer course. We have no money. कितें करता? Sir, money we'll see what happens. But shall we do? If you are with me, तूं म्हाका बरोबर असल्यार I will make effort. He said, go ahead. He was very nice gentleman, very devoted to Swami. He said, Dakappa, I am with you. You please go ahead. I straight away went to the hostel, Vrindavan hostel. Mr. Sanjay Sani was the director. I told him, Swami le instruction asa, is it possible that we do this summer course together with the university? He said, I will talk to the Vice Chancellor. So Vice Chancellor la gulelo, he agreed. For the first time ever, Satyasai University and Satyasai Seva Organization meant we conducted the summer course, sir. So what happened? Swami kit manta, you take 1 step towards me and I shall take 10 steps towards you. एकदा कितें जालें, Vrindavanat there was a youth meet by Kerala. Kerala state used to do a lot of youth meets in Vrindavan. So State President Mukundan was talking. He said, Swami always says, take one step and I shall take 10 steps towards you. This is what Swami says. Swami taka stop केलं. स्वामी स्टॉप केलं ताका आणि कितें सांगलें आपयलें ताका तूं सांग तुम्ही एक स्टेप घेतले शिवाय हांव 10 घेना by just telling you take one step I will take 10 it doesn't happen you have to take the first step तूं फर्स्ट स्टेप घेतल्यार मात्र हांव फुडें येता नाजाल्यार हांव येना म्हण स्वामी यू नो ही so I had to take the first step so I decided summer course man. You will not believe, sir. Next day morning, our Vrindavan Management Committee, one Mr. Janki Ram was there. Tane maka phone kelo. Mr. Dakappa, I understand that you are doing summer course. I want to give you 5 lakhs. Money started flowing in from nowhere, sir. I didn't ask anybody. कोणाक विचारू ना पैसे. लोक सगळे पैसे दिवपा लागले. And summer course. आमचो custodian was Mr. Botia. Dakappa sir, ये समर का महीना है, वृंदावन में पानी नहीं है. आप समर कोर्स कर रहे हैं 1000 स्टूडेंट्स हु इनवाइटेड फ्रॉम अक्रॉस कर्नाटका बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स पीयूसी टू ग्रेजुएशन लेवल पानी ना अशी आसा तशी आसा आई सेड बोटिया सर आप चिंता मत करो अगर स्वामी ने संकल्प किया है सब हो जाएगा एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द समर कोर्स वी हैड 2 tanks full of water in the overhead tank in Vrindavan. Water is full, money we received ample. Then people were giving lot of requirements. Okay, so somebody told me, sir, Swami used to every day give ice cream. So now 1,500 people, I have to arrange ice cream. So I was scratching my head. आता कित करचे पडले. तितल्यान my education wing state coordinator, she came. She said, Mr. Dakappa, our alumni students from Anandpur want to give ice cream. So my ice cream problem also solved. So money problem solved, water problem solved, ice cream problem solved. There it did not end. Then somebody came with the idea, sir, last day of the summer course, Swami used to give big mangoes. Swami used to give mangoes, I know. But 1,500 mangoes, from where will I get? 1,500 mangoes. किती करपा जाय? So I said, when Swami wills, it will happen. Suddenly, 2 days before, 1 day before, one devotee came with 1,500 mangoes. Whatever was our desire, Swami took care. He said, you take 1 step, I will take 10 steps. So this is how Swami responds if we are sincere, if we really follow him, and if we listen to him. If you are sincere, devoted, he will take care of us. So we are very fortunate that we are under the divine umbrella of Baba. It is all our wish because we are all growing older. Swami, centenary parent amka barekan aram davar health wise. So we want to witness. This is a lifetime opportunity for all of us to participate in the centenary celebrations. Baba physically आमचे मध्ये उरनाशी उरच्या पुरो. But he is always with us every moment. Every moment. He told during one of the youth conferences, you must have heard, he said, if any of you sincerely pray for me, even for 11 seconds, I will appear before you. Sangle nahi? Some of the youth should have heard. We don't try it. So, if we continue with our sadhana, it is our lifetime opportunity that Swami has blessed us. We are all, let us work together. He gave so many projects. I remember the Ratha Yatra we did in North Canara, sir, small Rath. People were weeping. People were crying. And when we did the final program on the Karwar beach, I don't know, many of you would have come. There were 6,000-7,000 people on the Karwar beach. Swami, chairar basun, Swami's murti we took on the stage and completed that Ratha Yatra, which was attended, I think, by Nimish Bhai also. I don't know who all. If you have this Ratha Yatra, you are taking Swami to each houses, each temples in Goa. If I was the state president of Goa, I would tell Anupji, I want 6 months. So I hope Pavaskarji will listen to me and make it 4 months at least from 3.5 months. Believe me, Swami will come to each house in Goa. Goa, खूप वर्षा मागे when I was in Madgaon, I attended talk by Kasturiji. Gomant Vidyaniketan, he came. Mainly elderly devotees may remember. Gomant Vidyaniketanata, Kasturi talk asle. I attended that talk. One of the things he said in that talk, in Kerala, some paper they have written that Swami has a lady secretary named Kasturi and I am that Kasturi. So I remember those very interesting thing which Kasturiji told that time. So there are a lot of devotees in Goa also. Maybe they are not in the organization. It is your responsibility to bring them into the organization. I want each one of the Sevadal members and active members of the organization to work. Make Goa vibrant with Sai activities. Every town, every village, there has to be a bhajan mandali and there is a samiti. If you can do it, that is a true offering that you will be making to Swami at his lotus feet as part of the centenary. So I thank you. म्हाका हे opportunity. म्हाका काम कितें आसलें ट्रस्ट मीटिंग अटेंड करचे गोवाचे and organization members मेळचे. This was not part of it, but anyway he requested me and I got the opportunity of meeting all of you. तुम सगळ्यांक मेळचे म्हाका एक भाग्य मेळ्ळें. I consider it as an opportunity to me. कित्याक म्हाका स्वामीन during that same thing he said, if you are doing some work, you are doing for yourself, you are not doing for others. Today, if Anupji has come all the way from Bombay to Goa and going back in the night to Bombay, if I have come all the way from my family temple in Shiroda here and going back in the night, I am doing it as my sadhana, I am not doing any favor to you. Each one of you, whatever seva you are doing it for yourself. तुमगेल खातीर तुम्ही करते असं दुसऱ्या खातीर करते ना. हे तुम्ही याद दवरा. असले opportunity आमकां आमगेले जन्मात आनी मेळना. We will not get such a opportunity in our lifetime because कितलीकी जन्माचे पुण्यान आमकां आज हे स्वामीले सानिध्य मेळ्ळा. To have been Swami's lotus feet itself is the biggest lottery. There are three lotteries आमकां मेळ्ळा. First is to be born as a human being. Secondly, be in the proximity of God. Then doing His work. This very few people get. We are fortunate to get it. Don't let it go waste. Make full use of this opportunity. Sanctify your life. And with one prayer I will close. One very old devotee in Karnataka wrote this when Swami visited North Karnataka long back. It is in Kannada. I hope if you understand, otherwise I will translate into English. Ninna nambide sai ranga, ninna nambide sai ranga, yenna poreyo karunantaranga, yenna poreyo karunantaranga. I have full faith in you, O Sai Ranga. Please protect me all the time. ಎನ್ನ ನಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಪುಣ್ಯರೂಪ ಕುಣಿಯಲಿ, ಎನ್ನ ನಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಪುಣ್ಯರೂಪ ಕುಣಿಯಲಿ, ಎನ್ನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ತುಂಬಿ ತುಳುಕಲಿ. Let your enchanting form be always before my eyes at all times. Let my heart be filled with your namasmarana, with your remembrance. All the time. Ninna nambide sai ranga, ninna nambide sai ranga, enna deha ninna vasa yogyavagi mereyali, enna deha ninna vasa yogyavagi mereyali, enna prana ninna padake kusumavagi beelali, ಎನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಸುಮವಾಗಿ ಬೀಳಲಿ. Let this body be befitting enough for you to stay here. Let this already be your residence. Let it be pure, let it be sincere, let it be always filled with devotion to thee. And at the end of this life, let this soul, let this our prana be offered at your lotus feet like a fragrant flower. This is a prayer which I love very much. I want to share with you. You all should have this prayer in your mind. and sanctify this human birth which Swami has given. Thank you once again, sir.